Is it rolling?
Yeah, we're rolling, Joe.
Right. My name is Joseph Santiago.
Hi, my name's Paul and I'm an ex-Kiwi.
Okay, I'm Paul Harris and I'm obviously from the local men's shed at Melton.
My name is Chris Huon and I'm at the Melton men's shed right now.
I'm just Brendan Colvin, one of your local clans.
My name's Ray. I've been a member of the Taylor's Hill Men's Shed for probably 2 years, which has been funded quite generously by the Melton City Council, which we're very, very appreciative of.
Within the Melton Shire we have 2 sheds, our shed being the first shed that we built and the second one in Taylor's Hill.
The men's shed is a place where men can come and feel welcome. They can feel that they're part of a larger group than just themselves. I heard about it a few years ago, not long after I retired, and I've been here for about 2 years now.
Found out about this men's shed by accidentally walking here one day.
Decided it was time to retire and become quite the loner type person, which sort of happens when you retire. So the best thing I could find was the men's shed, and it's been a revelation. It's great, and according to my wife, it was long overdue.
There are so many different kind of characters around.
Well, you can find everybody here.
Well, in the woodworking group alone, you've got long haulage truck drivers, you've got an ex-oyster farmer, you've got a commercial cleaner, you've got an engineer that worked in the naval dockyard, you've got teachers, you've got a glazier, and conversations around the table are very interesting with an eclectic group like that.
Or they talk about everything: fishing, boating, camping, campfire, visiting places, going on a road trip.
Politics, football, what's the trouble with kids today?
When you bring up one subject, they talk about something else and then come back to the same subject. So it's a big merry-go-round.
There's one gentleman, he can listen to a conversation, he can finish the last line off with a joke and you go, how did he think of that so quick?
I don't know how many members there are, but probably 20 or 30 will stay out in the kitchen and 10 or 15 will come in here. Lots of guys just come here for a talk and a coffee, and that's what we like.
The quality of the workshop is fantastic.
A cabinet maker would be happy to have this as his shop because everything he needs is here. You don't have to make a dining chair, but you just make some rubbish and throw it out, but at least you're hammering something or doing something.
If you don't know, people are always there, willing to help, willing to show you things. But the facilities of the shed cannot be questioned. It's far away and above anything else I've seen.
At the moment we're working on a project for the RSL. When a veteran's funeral service is held, the flag is usually folded and presented to the family. We're making some nice little varnished boxes with clear perspex lids so the flag can be displayed in this box and set up on top of a bookcase or something like that.
Not everyone in here knows everything. It's nothing to see 7 blokes crowded around a table of a morning when one bloke's trying to do his project and there's different advice coming through and points and everything else. And you end up with some good outcomes out of it. And when you're standing there watching and you go, yeah, I just learned something that I wasn't across before. So it's a great environment.
Just a little afternoon tea tray or a Devonshire tea tray.
People with the name of Joseph are good carpenters, but not me. The men's shed is not only woodwork, they have other things. There are so many activities they can choose from.
If it were left to our group, the birds would have nowhere to live. We don't make birdhouses or anything like that. We come to the shed to interact. Like today we had bacon and egg sandwich day, which is a popular event. It's just a wonderful support mechanism for all involved.
Cutting the bacon up for the bacon and eggs, get that in the oven, then we'll do the eggs and Bob's going to do the toast. We look after ourselves. Beautiful.
If you want to just sit and chat and talk about old times, there's a group for that. If you like cooking and eating, there's a group for that. If you like woodwork, there's a group for that. There's even a group who goes bicycle riding.
Okay, we've got a small cycling group belonging to the men's shed, and what we do really, once a week, we'll go for local rides around Melton. So if you're interested, come on along with your bicycle and we'll have a good time.
The thing I like about this place is it's very open and friendly. Doesn't matter who you are, they welcome you. And I had the opportunity of starting the band here, which really has given me a different approach to everything. I'm enjoying it every day.
We've had lectures on heart disease. Someone come in and teach us how to make sausages. Gardening, how to prune.
I've loved gardening since I was a child. I grew up with gardening. We either buy seeds or seedlings. We take it to our garden beds, we decide where we want to put them. What I get out of gardening is the pleasure of growing and actually taking some of that produce home and cooking it for my wife and myself.
The billiard table here gets used regularly.
Everybody gets on. I reckon it's great. Doesn't matter what group we are, although we are all separate groups. We all come together at certain times of the year.
It's a place where I can come and let myself loose. Talk anything I want. Talk to anyone I want.
Who wouldn't want to be a part of a group who are laughing, patting one another on the back and enjoying life? Life doesn't stop just because you're retired, and there are some who are not retired, others who are semi-retired.
I think the men's shed's a bit of a sanctuary. It's a place where you can go without fear of failure. You can be yourself. You can be encouraged to become better, show your skills, share your skills. You don't have to have any skills. That's the best thing about it. It's a mishmash of nobodies and everybody's. Once you come through the door, it's just you. Come and try it. You've got to try it because it's something different. You don't have to come every day. You don't have to come every week. Just come.